Today I'm going to be interpreting the tarot card, the Nine of Cups. 9 speaking of expansion, higher mind, consciousness. It is a water element card and it correlates with the energy of Jupiter and Pisces. When the energy of this card finds you in a reading, you can expect material success, wishes coming true, feelings, longings, and beliefs are manifested. You're making things happen. Dreaming of possibilities and realities are coming more and more into reality for you. There's options everywhere right now. When the energy of this card finds you in reverse in a reading, you can expect not believing in your dreams or visions anymore. There's something that's not making you happy, or you're not choosing the right things. There could be a tendency to overindulge. There's some bitterness and self-pity happening, and there might even be some spitefulness to others. So when the energy of the Nine of Cups finds you in a reading, ask yourself, is there anything else that you would like to work on? And how can you grant your dreams into this reality? Thank you.